Welcome to the first PUC mathematics classes. Now I will start the first chapter of the mathematics in the first PUC students. First chapter is sets. So we already learned about the sets in the high school classes, but we touch the sets concept of sets in this year also. Now we move to the syllabus of this chapter in the first PUC classes. Syllabus is like this. First one is sets and their representation. Second is types of sets. In the types of sets, empty set, finite set, infinite set, equal sets, and subset C separated from this. Third one is sets of the subsets of the set of real numbers, especially intervals. Fourth one, power set. Fifth, universal set. Sixth, Venn diagram. Seventh, union and intersection of sets. Eighth one is difference of sets. Ninth is complement of a set. Tenth one is properties of sets. Now, this is the syllabus of the first PUC maths in the chapter sets. Among these syllabus, we get the marks, how the marks is distributed for this syllabus. Look here. In the examination, the questions in the examination. 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark question is 2, 3 mark question 1. Totally 8 marks for 4 questions. 8 marks for 4 questions in this chapter in the examination question paper. And we come to the concept of sets and representation. Look at the definition of a set. If you heard the word set, we give the equal word like that group, bunch, collection like this. So here is a set is a collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined is very important. The definition of set. Well-defined, okay, correctly defined what is set, what is collection. So what are the properties are here defined like this. So here the set is represented by capital letters of English alphabet. Sets are denoted by capital letters like A, B, C, D, etc. And set here is the objects. So objects are called elements. The objects in a set are called its elements. These elements are represented by the small letters of English alphabet. The elements are denoted by small letters like this. Now, if element A is an element of a set A, then we write A belongs to A. This is the symbol of belongs. A belongs to A. That is, A is an element of set A. Element A is, this is element A is in A, set A. So now, there are two methods of describing sets. We can write one set in two types, two methods. First one is the roster or tabular form. In the roster form, we list all the elements of the set within flower brackets like this, and separated the elements by commas. We list all the elements of the set within flower bracket and separate the elements by comma. So the second one is the set builder form. In the set builder form, we write only the property and property or properties. So here in the roster or tabular form, we write all the elements, list all the elements. the set builder form, we write only the property or properties. So here, in this form, we list the property or properties satisfied by all the elements of the sets. Property or properties satisfied by all the elements of the set. Now, representation of sets. So, we represent the set n, here is the n, capital N represents the set of all natural numbers. Capital Z represents the set of all integers. Z plus represents the set of positive integers. Q represents the set of all rational numbers. Q plus represents the set of positive rational numbers. R represents the set of all real numbers. R plus represents the set of all positive real numbers. Now we come to the roster or tabular form and set builder form. How to convert roster form to set builder form and set builder form to roster form. So here is example for this one. Example for the group, is it a set or not? If it is a set, justify your answer. Not set, we also justify the answer. Look at the first one. The collection of all boys in your class, is it set? Justify your answer. Collection of all boys in your class. This is well defined. All boys in your class. You must write the name of the student classmates. So it is a set. Yes, it is a set. The collection of boys is well defined. So it is a set. Second example is the collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Is it set? Justify your answer. So look at this. Most dangerous. Carefully read this sentence. The collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Most dangerous means how much dangerous? What is the level of dangerous? We cannot say. So it is not a set. So write this. No, it is not a set because the term most dangerous is not well defined. Next question. The team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Is it set? Justify your answer. Read this repeatedly. Best cricket batsman. Or how much is the best? Level of best we cannot measure. So it is not a set. No, it is not a set because the term best batsman is not well defined. Fourth question is the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Is it set? Justify your answer. Read this. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., 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 like that. But here is natural numbers less than 100. We can write the natural numbers less than 100 definitely. So you see, it is a set. Yes, it is a set. The collection of natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 99, up to 100, less than 100 is there, so up to 99, so it is a set. Fifth question is the collection of letters in the word mathematics. Is it set? Justify your answer. Definitely we write the letters of this word mathematics as a set like this. Yes, it is a set. The set is MATHEICS. Here some letters are repeated. M is repeated twice, but we write only once. So M is a collection of M is a letter belongs to this set. So it is a set. So here is a T. T is repeated twice, but we write only once like that. So it is set. Sixth question. The collection of 10 beautiful women in the world, is it set? Justify your answer. 10 beautiful women, beautiful. So here is most, best and beautiful. These words we cannot measure. So it is not a set, beautiful woman. You cannot measure the set. Once the woman is beautiful, sometimes to old age she is not beautiful. So this is not a set. Yes, no, it is not a set because the term beautiful is not well defined. Next, conversion. So roster into set builder or set builder into roster. So look, write the following sets in roster form. Some sets are given; those are in the set builder form to change into the roster form. First example is set A is like this: x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x less than 7. So here is x is in between minus 3 and 7. X is not equal to minus 3. X is not equal to 7. Look here, carefully look here. X is not equal to minus 3. X is not equal to 7. But it is in between minus 3 and 7. You can write x is greater than minus 3. Greater than minus 3 is minus 2. It begins with minus 2. The given set is in set builder form. So we write in the roster form. So that is x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. In between minus 3 and 7, number lines, you imagine the number lines. Minus 2, minus 1, 0. These are all the greater than minus 3 but less than 7. So these are the elements in the set A. Second example, set B is x such that x is a natural number less than 6. It is very easy. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. They are less than 6. We must write that one. Set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the roster form. This is the set builder form. Come to the third one. Set C x such that x is a two-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. Add the digits, it's equal to 8. That is the rule. If we add the digits, it is equal to 2. The digits must be two digits, two-digit number, natural numbers. So write this one. Set C is equal to 17. 1 plus 7 is 8. 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. 35, 3 plus 5 is 8. 44, 4 plus 4 is 8. 53, 5 plus 3 is 8. 62, 6 plus 2 is 8. 71, 7 plus 1 is 8. So these are elements belongs to the set C. So you take any other two-digit numbers. 46, 4 plus 6 is 10. So that is not belongs to the set C. Fourth question, set D is x such that x is a prime number divisor of 60. So prime numbers, what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers means it divides one and itself only. One and itself only. Those number is called a prime number. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 like that. So here those numbers must be divisor of 60. Correct that one. Here is the set. 2 is divide 60, 3 is divide 60, 5 is divide 60, but 7 is a prime number but does not divide 60. So only 3 elements are there in this set. Come to the fifth one, set E, set of all letters in the word trigonometry. What are the letters? Which letters are there in the trigonometry? Write that. T, R, I, G, O, N. O is repeated, but we cannot write again. M, repeat, M, right? E, T, R, Y. T is repeated, we cannot write this. R is repeated, we cannot write Y. So write. So these are the elements present in the set of letters in the word trigonometry. Next we come to the sixth one. Set F, X such that X is a letter of the word mathematics. This question is repeated, but we write again in the set F, M-A-T-H-E-I-C-S. Here is the words. Repeated letters we cannot write in this roster form. Seventh question. Set G, X such that X is an odd natural number. So carefully read odd natural numbers less than 10. Odd natural numbers less than 10. What are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. But they are odd less than 10. Here, set G is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd natural numbers below the 10, less than 10. That's all. So now we come to the, here is roster form into set builder form into roster form. Next we come to the roster form into set builder form. Write the following sets in set builder form. The given question is in the roster form, we must write in set builder form. Here is a set A, 3, 6, 9, 12 are the elements. How to write the property or the set is in set builder form. Look at. If you look at this number, these elements, we imagine that these are the three tables. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 like that. So that is the property. Set A is equal to x such that x is equal to, if you write 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 like that. N belongs to the natural number. N is less than 5. 3 fours are 12 like that. N is less than 5. Second question. Set B is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 12. Dash, dash, dash. Dash, dash means etc. So many numbers are there in the set. Look at these numbers, these elements. We definitely say that these numbers are the square numbers. These numbers are the square numbers. How can you write this? Like this. B. Set B is equal to x such that x is a perfect square number. That's all. Third question. Set C. 1, 4, 9, 16, 12, dash, 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 100. Here last number is not present, not given in this set B. In the set C, last element is given. So here is up to 100 only. So these are all the square numbers. How can you write these as a set builder form? Look here. X such that x is a perfect square number between 1 and 100. Or one more thing, x such that x is equal to n square. N is in between minus 10 and 10. Minus 10 less or equal here, minus 10 equal to n because minus 10 square is 100. Minus 10 into minus 10 is 100 because so we say that equal. N is in between minus 10 and 10. That's also equal to minus 10 and also equal to 10 like that. Next, fourth question. Set D is equal to, these are the elements P, R, I, N, C, A, L. If you read continuously these elements, we imagine that this is the word principal like that. So definitely it is correct. So D is equal to X such that X is a letter of the word principal. It is very easy. Come to the fifth question. E is equal to like this. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4. This is one more. 5, 5. If you read this, one more than the numerator. 1. Denominator is 1 more than the numerator. 2. 1 more than 2 is 3. Like this. Like this. We write this one in the set builder form like that. Set E is equal to x such that x is equal to n divided by n plus 1 more than 1 more than numerator. Denominator is 1 more than numerator. So n is a natural number and n is between 1 and 6. One is less or equal to n, less or equal to 6, like